Hi, today we're going to see how to add borders to images in Photopea. So I'm going to show you two ways. So for the first way, I'm just going to select the move tool, left click here, select move tool, and now click on the transform controls. And now I'm going to reduce the size of my layer. So here like this. So let's say I'm going to place it here. So here it is. And now I'm going to create a new layer. So click on this icon here. I'm going to place it under my image layer, and now I'm just going to paint it with my color. So for example, I'm going to switch between the foreground and background. I want a white background and then left click. So here it is. You want to center the layer here, left click here. So if you want to remove the controls here, just click, uncheck the transform controls, left click here to select this layer, and now left click here, select align to Canva. And now I'm just going to click here to align it vertically, and then here to align it horizontally. So it's already aligned. And the second method, I'm going to bring my image again. And now for the second method, we're going to increase the canvas size. So go to image and then canvas size. And now make sure to uncheck here so here it's checked, the aspect ratio, make sure to uncheck it. So here you can choose how the values will look. So for example, you want them in pixels or for example centimeters. So here it is, value change. So I will go back to pixels. And now I'm going to add the value I want for the borders. So let's say for example, I want to add the 10 pixel borders on top, 10 on bottom. So I'm going to select the height, left click on it. So here it is, it's selected. And now press the right arrow key on your keyboard. So here to move your cursor to the right and then type plus. So since I want 10 on bottom, 10 on top and 10 on bottom, I'm just going to type 20 and then press enter. So here it is. And now for the width, let's say I want 20 pixels on the right, 20 on left. I'm just going to add 40. So left click, press the right arrow key on your keyboard to move your cursor, type plus and then 40, press enter. And now I'm just going to click OK. So here it is, it added. So I'm going to left click on the zoom, select the zoom tool, zoom out. So here it is. And now I'm just going to add a new layer just as before, left click. And now I'm going to move it down. And then here I'm just going to select the pen bucket tool, left click. So here it is. Let's go back to the zoom tool, left click. So I'm going to select the hand tool to center it. So I'm just going here, select zoom to right click, fit the area. So here it is. That's how you can add borders to images in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.